Hello, I am Natalie from Russia. My final project is a network interface of stamped simulation of the motion of the aircraft. The project was developed in C++ and runs on the Windows operating system. The project is a kind of remote control of the process of modeling the flight of the aircraft. Interface is a network application. It communicates with other components of the stamped simulation by the data packets of the protocol UDP. In addition, it is universal, so it varies depending on the aircraft. Simulation parameters for different aircrafts differ not only values. The lists of the parameters are also different. Universality is achieved by storing the configuration information for each aircraft in the database. The main window of the network interface is displayed on the screen. The vertical menu on the left allows you to set the initial conditions for the process of modeling. The initial conditions of the simulation may be set on 2 tabs. All the parameters of the simulation have a range of acceptable values, which is stored in the database. If the user enters incorrect data, boundary value will be highlighted in red. The user can also work with the files of the initial conditions. The user can load the initial conditions from a file and save the initial conditions in a file. If the user tries to load the initial conditions from a file of another aircraft, the application will display an error message. You can set the initial conditions for the modeling of an engine failure at the 3rd tab. First, the user must choose the engine of the plane, and then he must specify value of the height, on which should happen refusal of the engine. After all the initial conditions are set, the user must balance the plane. After the aircraft will be balanced, you can run the simulation process.